houseware air fryer oven is kind of like an air fryer, but more super powered. An air fryer, a conventional oven, a rotisserie, and a dehydrator, all wrapped up into one powerful small kitchen appliance that fits easily right on your kitchen countertop. Super easy to use. I can effortlessly bake up multiple dishes at once, serve up an entire rotisserie chicken or yummy shish kebabs, and even dehydrate fruit or homemade beef jerky. And with the air fryer function, I can even cook up my favorite deep fried foods, but without all that unnecessary fat, because air frying actually requires little to no oil. Instead, frying your food with the all-powerful hot air technology for that crispy, crunchy goodness. The Yedi Total Package Air Fryer Oven is PFOA-free, PTFE-free, and BPA-free, basically yucky chemical-free, and comes with a one-of-a-kind recipe book that includes vegan and keto dishes, super cute mitts, and a total package accessory kit. So you'll be flying high, saving your valuable time and energy to maximize your superpowers in the kitchen and out. After all, every air fryer deserves an air fryer oven. The super powerful and super convenient Yedi Houseware Total Package Air Fryer Oven. Order yours today.